Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up parental controls on a Zbtlink router. And to do this you'll need to open a configuration website. If you don't know how to access it, you can check our first setup video to learn how to access it. Now let's click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here we want to go for the advanced setup. Scroll to the right to find parental controls. Here you can enable or disable them. When they're on, you can pick any already connected device and add it to the parental control list. And what it does, it will restrict the internet to be used only in the hours you put right here. And also you can add just all days in a week. And add description, so for example name your device and add any operation. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.